The need for engineers and scientists is growing faster than ever. That's due to the evolving technology and job growth. By promoting STEM professions to underrepresented groups, including women and minorities, we can meet this demand. Fortunately for us, there has been a surge in the number of high school girls interested in pursuing STEM fields.
I want to pursue engineering, and I think a situation like this, getting to talk to women in the field, is a really amazing opportunity. It's something I wanted to take part in.
Current and aspiring women engineers gather at Old Dominion University for informative panel discussions and inspirational talks by professional guest engineers. Sarah Golden, an ODU alum and Chief Administrative Officer of the GBS Group, gave a powerful keynote about overcoming the hurdles many engineers, especially females, face.
This event today is very exciting, just to have the focus on these young women and to give them the opportunity to interact with a lot of professional women who work in industry around us.
The way that I view the women and how they stood up there and they talked about everything shows that even though I might be scared to enter this male-dominated field, that I'm going to be okay because I have all these inspiring women to look up to and go to if I need any help, anything like that.
Among other guest professionals was Thomasina Wright, an engineering graduate of ODU who served on one of several informative panels and talked about the opportunities ODU provides for networking.
ODU has a solid program, and I've seen it progress over the years. So get involved with student clubs and activities to kind of network and get to know people.
This event was part of a newly formed initiative called Women Excelling in Engineering, or We Too. In addition to this first annual event, We Too hosts monthly lectures designed to guide and inspire current and future female engineers.
I want to major in modeling and simulation engineering because that's been like a dream of mine since I toured ODU when I was in 6th grade. And I really love ODU, like just the feeling of everything just feels so welcoming and everything. I love it.
For the Batten College of Engineering and Technology, this is Andrea Luna.